Don't worry, Nana. We'll fix this door for you.
Dear, my needle.
Did you lose something, Nana?
I'm hungry.
Let's slow down, Nana. I have something that can help us find it.
I think I hear something.
Nothing here.
Are you sure? All fixed up. Oh, Foxy, it's perfect. Thank you, dear.
Oh, yes! Here you go, Nana. Found the needle. When we take time to help one another, even small kindnesses become strong enough to fix big worries.